Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making coconut fried rice. Yes guys, coconut plus fried rice. Oh my god, this recipe is super delicious, mouth-watering. So if you are interested in making this recipe, you just want to stick around and watch this video to the end, so that I'll be teaching you guys all the tips and tricks you need to know. This recipe is super delicious, and please make it in large bag. With that said, let's get started. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe. Be needing some chicken, be needing some pepper, onions, spring onions, some garlic, ginger, bell pepper, carrots. Be needing some rosemary, some curry powder oil, then our coconut milk and some rice. Yes guys, so the full list ingredient will be in the description box. I'll also be adding a secret ingredient to this recipe, so you want to stay around, stick around so you don't miss anything. Next, we are transferring our cut ingredient, that's our onions, garlic, ginger and pepper, into a blender, and then we are going to add some water to this and blend everything to completely pure it. After blending, it should in a pot on medium to high heat. Transfer your chicken. Next, our blended ingredient goes in. Next, our cube. Sprinkle some salt. And then I like to wash the blender and just add that little water to our chicken. Stir this to combine. Just give it a quick stir to combine. And then you want to cover this and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes or until your chicken is soft. So while our chicken is still cooking, you guys kindly subscribe to my channel, share and like my recipes. You guys, I promise you nothing but the best. I'll be giving you guys back-to-back recipes, trust me. Now we check on our chicken and it was ready. So you now transfer it into a bowl and set aside. You'll be frying this chicken in the next clip. Yes. And guys, after transferring this meat, the stock that you have in your pot, you want to keep this. Please don't dispose this off, because this stock works magic. Yes, so next, in a pot on medium to high heat, transfer in some cooking oil. Heat it up slightly, and then transfer all your chicken for frying. My oil was very hot, so it started becoming golden brown. Fry this until golden brown. Yes guys. So we now flip this over because it's golden brown. You don't want your chicken to get burnt, so just flip this over. Yes, flip it over and allow the other side to cook as well. is ready, you now transfer it into a plate. I usually lay my plate with some kitchen towel or some tissue paper before I transfer my meat so that it gets to absorb that excess oil. Yeah, so that's exactly what I'm doing. You want to transfer your chicken into a plate laid with tissue paper. So we are transferring all of that chicken. Next, our rice. You guys, I always wash my rice. Yes, I wash my rice. So in a bowl, just transfer your rice and add some water. And you want to wash this rice until the water turns clear. I wash my rice for about 4 to 5 times or until the water is clear. Just look at the water now. Yes, so that's exactly what you want to do before you cook your rice. So next, in a pot, transfer in some oil. I'm using the same oil I use in frying my chicken. And then next, you want to transfer in your onions. Our curry powder goes in and stir everything to combine. Next, our rosemary also goes in. You guys, onions, curry powder, and rosemary. Oh my god. It's just amazing. Yes, and then next we transfer our washed rice into this. You want to stir everything to combine. Don't forget to fry your onions. You guys, the jollof rice recipe, the rules applies to this. You want to fry your onions until it's fragrant before you add in whatever you have to add. So I added in some salt and I'm stirring this together to combine. And next, oh, my favorite, our coconut milk. You guys, if you are interested in learning how to make this coconut milk, then let me know in the comment section and I'ma drop this video real quick. Yes guys, coconut milk is a life changer. Yes, trust me. So next, our chicken stock goes in. Oh, the yumminess. Oh my god, this is yummy. Just look at that. Stir everything to combine and cover your pot. You want to cover your pot and allow your rice to cook. So I cook this rice for about 30 minutes. Yeah, so on low to medium heat. Then that's how I cook this rice. You don't want this rice to be 100% cooked. Let's say 85-90% cooked, and then you just want to check. So we check on our rice and it was well cooked, like 90% cooked. Just look at that. We want to flag this out, yeah, because you'll be frying this anyway, so you don't worry, everything is going to cook beautifully. And just look at how beautiful our rice is looking. The curry, the rosemary, just doing its own thing. Just try this recipe, okay, you guys, and thank me later. This recipe is definitely a must try. So next, in our pan, we add in some oil. It's the same oil I use in frying the chicken here. And then our carrots goes in. All this have been chopped. It goes in and just give it a quick stir. Stir everything to combine. And our secret ingredients, yeah, 2 eggs. You guys, don't forget to add eggs to this recipe. It just takes your food to the next level, trust me. So we want to stir this together. It doesn't have to be cooked, like just stir everything together. Everything will be cooked at the end of this recipe. So just cook everything, and then the rest of our veggies goes, and that's our green bell peppers, yeah, and then our spring onion. So you want to now stir everything to combine. Oh, this recipe tasted super delicious. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this food. So you guys should try this Christmas season and your family is gonna love it. Yes guys, so we are just stirring this together, and now our rice goes in. Our coconut rice goes in. You can enjoy this coconut rice with stew, everything, but we just wanted the fried rice taste. That is why we went for this. So you want to stir fry this for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so after the rice goes in, just stir fry this. You want to stir fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until your rice are soft enough. Yes, so you stir fry this beautifully until everything is well combined, and then each grain of rice is well coated into our egg and vegetables. Yeah, so you guys try this recipe. This recipe is delicious. It's so delicious. So try this recipe and let me know what you think. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, and those who have already subscribed, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting your girl. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the love. And there we have it. Our rice is ready. A coconut fried rice with some fried chicken is ready. And it's party in my house right now. Yes guys, it's party time. So I added one more thing to this recipe. That's my special green sauce. This sauce is a must have. My ladies, you have to have this sauce in your house. So if you are interested in learning how I did this sauce, just let me know in the comment section and I'ma drop this real quick. Yes guys, so our coconut fried rice is ready. It's now time to serve and enjoy. See you all in my next video. Bye.